In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto upload of photos to OneDrive on Windows 11, updated 2026, full guide. If your pictures keep syncing to the cloud and you'd prefer to keep them local on your PC, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to switch off that automatic upload for the Pictures folder. First, look to the right side of your taskbar for the OneDrive cloud icon. It may be a white or blue cloud depending on your theme. If you don't see it right away, it might be tucked inside the small arrow that shows hidden icons. Click the OneDrive cloud icon to open the OneDrive panel. Inside that panel, go to Help and Settings. This is typically a small gear icon in the upper corner of the panel. Click it, and then choose Settings from the menu. That opens the main OneDrive settings window where you can control sync behavior, backup, and more. In the Settings window, switch to the Sync and Backup tab. This is the section that controls which folders on your PC are automatically protected in OneDrive. It's where Windows manages standard folders like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures so they can be backed up to your cloud storage. Next, click Manage Backup. You'll see a list of the folders that OneDrive can protect. Locate the Pictures folder. To stop photos from auto-uploading, turn off Backup for the Pictures folder. When you do this, OneDrive will stop automatically syncing new photos and images that live in your local Pictures library. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and confirm to finalize the change. A few helpful notes so you know exactly what to expect. Turning off backup for Pictures only affects new syncing from this PC going forward. It does not delete any photos that are already stored in OneDrive. Anything that previously uploaded will remain in the cloud until you choose to manage or remove it separately. Also, this setting is per device, so if you use multiple Windows PCs, you'll want to adjust this option on each computer where you want auto upload turned off. You can always come back to the same place and re-enable the Pictures backup later if your needs change. That's it. By opening OneDrive from the taskbar, going into Help and Settings, selecting Settings, moving to Sync and Backup, and using Manage Backup to turn off the Pictures folder, you've stopped automatic photo uploads on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to follow along for more clear, up-to-date Windows tips.